welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. But before we get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, top headlines of the day coming your way.
Celebs spill the beans on the Diwali celebrations this year. Sara Ali Khan declares her Coolie #1 co-star Varun Dhawan a brat. Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu share romantic honeymoon pictures. Kangana Ranaut dances her heart out at brother Akshat's Mehndi ceremony. In Salman Khan's reality show, Rahul Vaidya gets into an intense fight with Pavitra Punia. Bollywood celebrities are ready to enjoy and celebrate Diwali in this pandemic situation. We will tell you their Diwali plans. The festival has already been associated with parties and fun. Diwali festival is on and Bollywood celebrities are also ready with their Diwali plans.
The pandemic has changed a lot of things since March और अब तो दिवाली भी आ गई है। हर बार दिवाली धूमधाम से मनाई जाती है and even Bollywood celebrities have big parties and gatherings. लेकिन इस बार Bollywood celebrities are going for smaller but close gatherings with family and friends. और आज हम लाए हैं आपके लिए आपके फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज के दिवाली प्लान।
Let's first talk about Chitiya Kalaiya girl Jacqueline, जो हमेशा अपने फैंस को अपने सोशल मीडिया के जरिए अपडेटेड रखती है। She shared a few stunning pictures of herself and expressed that she can't wait for Diwali in the caption. फैंस ने भी तुरंत रिप्लाई किया और कहा, gorgeous, beautiful. Talented actor Rajkumar Rao said, "It seems to be a working Diwali for me this time around. Celebrations will be different. I hope people are being careful and will be responsible. The pandemic is very much there. It's not gone anywhere. I will be very careful just because we have started stepping out for work doesn't mean normalcy has come back." फैमिली मैन मनोज बाजपेयी ने कहा कि वो ज्यादा सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हैं, बस अपनी फैमिली के साथ खुश रहते हैं. He requested his fans to be at home with your family to celebrate Diwali this year. Here's how Sanjay Dutt plans Diwali this year. Sanjay Dutt has been spending quality time with family ahead of resuming KGF Chapter 2 shoot. संजय दत्त ने कैंसर को हराया है और अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. Sanjay Dutt has emerged as a winner in this battle with cancer. The actor who underwent chemotherapy sessions had his family by his side throughout. संजय अपनी वाइफ मान्यता और बच्चों के साथ दुबई में दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. Arjun Kapoor, who is currently shooting in Dharamshala for his upcoming horror comedy Bhoot Police, told that he will be celebrating Diwali with the star cast. Beautiful Shilpa Shetty ने भी कहा कि this Diwali will just be perfect because the family will all be together. ब्रीथ एक्टर अभिषेक भी इस साल सबकी तरह लो प्रोफाइल दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. उन्होंने बताया कि हर साल हम अपने दोस्तों और फैमिली के साथ दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, उनको घर बुलाते हैं. But this year it's not that as we had a few deaths in the family. This year's Diwali will be special as it's a family affair. We all will do Lakshmi Puja in the evening as we always do and spend the evening together. Well, everyone has their own plans to celebrate Diwali and we wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. आप दिवाली कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? Tell us in the comments below.
वरुण सर नीचे, वरुण सर इस साइड देखिए ना.
Sara Ali Khan says, Varun Dhawan is a brat. Shairi Chor copycat as she shares pictures with him.
Sara Ali Khan will be next seen in David Dhawan's film Coolie No. 1 alongside Varun Dhawan. The promotions of Coolie No. 1 are in full swing, and so is the banter between the lead actors Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan. Recently, Sara shared pictures with Varun Dhawan on her social media handle, and instead of the photos going viral, the caption actually went viral, where Sara says, "Varun Dhawan is a brat. Shairi Chor copycat," as she shares pictures with him.
बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस सारा अली खान और हैंडसम हंक वरुण धवन अपनी आने वाली फिल्म कूली नंबर 1 के प्रमोशंस में बिजी है। दोनों ने रिसेंटली एक फोटो शूट कराया। Varun is seen decked up in a yellow and blue checkered shirt, which he paired up with white colored t-shirt underneath and black colored denim. The Pataudi is seen wearing an off-shoulder red and blue dress. Checkmate! You fell for the bait. Now please don't hate, because you are great. Sara Ali Khan. Varun wrote in the caption. सारा भी कहां पीछे रहने वाली थी, and she reminded Varun that she is the OG poetess. Sara replied, "Varun Dhawan is a brat. Shairi Chor copycat. Don't worry, I have more tricks in my hat. I am the original poetess. You forgot that." दोनों की इस प्यारी नोक-झोंक और शायरी के जोक्स को फैंस से काफी प्यार मिला। वरुण एंड सारा पहली बार एक साथ सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर दिखेंगे फिल्म कूली नंबर 1 में, जो कि वरुण के डैड डेविड धवन की ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म कूली नंबर 1 का रीमेक है। फिल्म की शूटिंग इसी साल फरवरी में खत्म हो गई थी, जिसके बाद सारा had thanked Varun for being an amazing co-star in her post and written, "Thank you Varun Dhawan for being the best and coolest coolie number 1. No one better to have helped carry my baggage, pun intended, carry me through what I couldn't carry off, and stop me from getting carried away almost all the time. Will miss irritating you constantly." Coolie number 1, which also stars Paresh Rawal, Shikha Talsania, Javed Jafri, Rajpal Yadav and Sahil Vaid in supporting roles. Film was originally slated for a theatrical release in May this year. हर बड़ी फिल्म की तरह ये फिल्म भी पैंडेमिक का शिकार हुई और थिएटर में रिलीज नहीं हो पाई। Fans are eagerly waiting for this masala comedy film to watch, and so are we. Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu's pictures from their honeymoon in Maldives are absolutely romantic and stunning. Actress Kajal Agarwal and her husband Gautam Kichlu are honeymooning in Maldives. Kajal and Gautam have shared pictures from the holiday destination.
काजल अग्रवाल इस वक्त अपने हस्बैंड गौतम किचलू के साथ अपनी लाइफ का बेस्ट टाइम एंजॉय कर रही है। Both are in Maldives for their honeymoon, and the gorgeous is having full fun, and her holiday pictures and videos will actually make you envy them. Recently, Kajal shared a lot of pictures on her social media, and she looks absolutely happy and gorgeous in them.
काजल अग्रवाल is having memorable moments with husband Gautam Kichlu, और ये तो हम उनकी प्यारी सी मुस्कान से ही पता लगा सकते हैं, जो हर फोटो में दिख रही है। Kajal recently shared a series of photos in a strapless top and maxi skirt as she enjoyed her romantic time with husband Gautam Kichlu. One of the photos sees Gautam holding a hand of his lady love while she relaxes by the pool, and it is all things cute. Kajal captioned it, "Partner in everything." हम सब जानते हैं कि काजल फिटनेस फ्रीक है। अपनी एक पिक्चर में काजल कैन बी सीन एंजॉयिंग योगा बाय द ओशन। Kajal Agarwal is treasuring joyous moments with husband Gautam Kichlu, and the same reflects in every picture of hers. My heart feels so happy and free every time I visit this beautiful country, she expressed while enjoying her time at a private villa in Maldives. Actress Kajal Agarwal tied the knot to her longtime boyfriend Gautam Kichlu on October 30th. काजल की बहन निशा अग्रवाल ने अपने सोशल मीडिया पर एक बहुत ही प्यारी फोटो शेयर की है। On the picture, she mentioned that she feels like the wedding is not over yet. Nisha wrote, "I am still reminiscing the entire wedding. I feel like it's not over yet. #festive feels." Well, it's good to enjoy your lovely moments and being happy about it. So friends, be happy. Bollywood celebrities have always faced this issue of nepotism. The debate started on social media post with the sad demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. The latest artist from the industry जिन्होंने इस issue पे बात की है वो है आदित्य नारायण and Amal Malik.
बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए एक सवाल काफी नॉर्मल हो गया है और वो सवाल है नेपोटिज्म पर। Recently, actor singer Aditya Narayan spoke about it. He said that we know that star kids are facing nepotism questions here and there, but only they know कि सच में बात क्या है। म्यूजिक कंपोजर, लिरिसिस्ट एंड सिंगर अमाल मलिक ने भले ही कम उम्र में काफी नाम कमा लिया है, but it was not a very smooth journey for the 29-year-old. Let's see in detail what these two have to say in this report.
Son of veteran singer Udit Narayan, the singer said, "Those who feel it's easier for insiders must understand the grass is always greener on the other side." Aditya said, "There have been times when I wish I wasn't the son of Udit Narayan, and then people would have taken me more seriously, and I would have been able to prove my point. I've also thought if my father wasn't one of the most accomplished musicians in the country, there would have been things left for me to achieve. And above everything else comes the pressure of expectations and comparisons." He further added, "I agree it's easier for us to get the first opportunity, but this industry is commerce driven. Only people who can churn profit will be employed. Talent is of course an essential criteria, but unless your films or songs make a profit, you're nothing." म्यूजिक कंपोजर, लिरिसिस्ट एंड सिंगर अमाल मलिक ने काफी कम एज में बड़ा नाम बनाया है। 29-year-old composer has faced many challenges for making his name in the industry. Despite being composer Dabu Malik's son and Anu Malik's nephew, अमाल ने कहा कि लोगों का ये सोचना गलत है कि वो और उनके सिंगर भाई अरमान मलिक are privileged just because their surname is Malik. Well, हर किसी का अपना स्ट्रगल होता है. We just wish everyone all the best for their career. Rahul Vaidya and Pavitra Punia got into an intense shouting match over the plan to make Ali Goni the captain of the house. Pavitra, who wanted the position for herself, got angry with Rahul for not supporting her. In Salman Khan's reality show, there is a new task going on. The all-night disco party task.
रियलिटी शो बिग बॉस 14 के ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स बहुत ही अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, पर कुछ ना कुछ डेली होता रहता है और यही बात इस शो को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बनाती है। In a recent promo, Rahul Vaidya and Pavitra Punia got into an intense shouting match over the plan to make Ali Goni the captain of the house. शो में अभी डिस्को डांस टास्क चल रहा है। जो अंत तक नाचेगा वही घर का कैप्टन बनेगा। पवित्र खुद कैप्टन बनना चाहती थी एंड राहुल के सपोर्ट ना करने पर वो उन पर गुस्सा कर बैठी। लेट्स चेक आउट द फुल रिपोर्ट इन दिस।
इस टास्क में घर के सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स काफी मेहनत कर रहे हैं। टास्क इस बार शोले फिल्म के क्लाइमैक्स सीन जैसा है। जो आखिरी तक डांस करेगा वो ही घर का कैप्टन बनेगा। For this task, singer Shan was there to entertain house members. He sang his all-time hits including It's the Time to Disco. Amid all the dancing, Rahul Vaidya, Jasmine Bhasin and Abhinav Shukla came to the consensus to make Ali Goni the captain. Something that did not go down well with Pavitra Punia, who was eyeing the position herself. Pavitra Punia didn't like it that Rahul didn't support her. She shouted on Rahul and said, मेरे साथ खड़े हो सकते थे, बोल सकते थे, नहीं, मेरे को पवित्र चाहिए कैप्टनसी के लिए। जिसके जवाब में राहुल ने पवित्र से कहा, Everyone wants to be the captain of the house. Rahul also added, मेरे सपोर्ट करने से कुछ होगा नहीं। Pavitra becomes very angry and she decides to remove Rahul and Abhinav from the captaincy race. पवित्र ने सबको बताया, मुझे कोई भी बाहर हटा नहीं सकता। पवित्र पुनिया डोमिनेट होती नहीं है, करती है। खैर दोस्तों, अब ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि पवित्र पुनिया और एली गोनी में से कौन घर का अगला कैप्टन बनेगा।
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ आई विल बी बैक विद अ लॉट मोर स्टोरीज फॉर यू। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है आज की स्पेशल स्टोरी देखने का।
Kangna Ranaut dances her heart out at brother Akshat's Mehendi Haldi ceremony. Kangna and sister Rangoli Chandel on Wednesday shared pictures and videos of Haldi Mehendi from brother Akshat's destination wedding in Udaipur. Bindas actress Kangna Ranaut is in Udaipur to celebrate her brother Akshat's wedding. On Wednesday, the actor and her sister shared pictures from the pre-wedding ceremonies. कंगना ने भी अपने भाई के हाथों में मेहंदी लगाई और फोटो शेयर की। उन्होंने कैप्शन में लिखा, लिटिल गैलेक्सी ऑन माई भोलू's हैंड इज बाय मी। Kangna Ranaut's brother Akshat is all set to get married to his long-term boyfriend Ritu Sangwan. She is a doctor by profession. Akshat got engaged to Ritu in November last year in an intimate ceremony that was attended by family members. Decked up in gold bronze lehenga with intricate work on it, Kangna put her best fashion foot forward as she attended Akshat's pre-wedding ceremonies. Sharing her pictures, she wrote, "Bhai ki shaadi." शादी की तैयारियां और सेलिब्रेशंस जोरों पर है और कंगना ने एक डांस वीडियो भी शेयर किया। कंगना along with her sister Rangoli was seen dancing to Kesariya Balam. कंगना was seen wearing the golden bronze lehenga while Rangoli wore a red and pink colored sari. The venue had a regal look with red light shining over the attendees. कंगना ने सोशल मीडिया पर अपने भाई की शादी के लिए लिखा, This is such a lovely time for my family and me. I am hosting my brother's destination wedding in Udaipur, where Ranauts originally hail from. Leaving for my parents' house now because of it's a small intimate gathering now, but the excitement is the same. शादी में दोनों फैमिलीज के खास लोग भी शामिल होंगे. Both Akshat and Ritu are looking adorable together in the picture. कंगना ने सोशल मीडिया पर थ्रोबैक फोटो शेयर की उनके बचपन की और लिखा, Partner in crime. Akshat's face in this picture is making me nostalgic. Growing up, I bullied him. I was always up to something and willingly or unwillingly, he always played my perfect partner in crime. Today, my little Bholu is a grown-up man and those wonderful years of childhood just feel like yesterday. Well, we wish Akshat and Ritu a very happy married life.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now. Until next time, it's goodbye.